Hi guys, welcome back. I heard a little ping there when I said guys. Ping there again, look. Sounds like a guyometer or something. Anyway, welcome back. Another day, another shave, and today we're going to do a bank holiday bonus shave. It's what's called a bank holiday here in the UK, where you get a day off on full pay. We have about 9 of these a year. They're always on a Monday, always a bank holiday Monday, and you get the day off with full pay. Oh, I wonder if there's something. Oh man, gremlins today, gremlins. Anyway, guys, I was tagged by Artisan Shaver to do a PAA fanboy shave. I used some PAA stuff in my last shave, so I thought I would do it. I'm not particularly fond of tags, but I thought I would do it. And I'll show you, I'll give you the rundown. What we're going to be using today is we're going to be using this PAA pumpkin pie pumpkin 3.14 is the pie, and that's what it looks like, guys. Beautiful. It smells like pumpkin. Now here in the UK we have what would you call them, candies, so we call them sweets, and it's actually called cough candy, and that smells like pumpkin with cough candy, mixed with cough candy, and it smells absolutely fantastic. Maybe that's what the menthol's doing to the pumpkin spice, I don't know. PAA 24mm, there you go, amber Aerolight brush, beautiful knot. We'll get that into soak. We're going to finish off, we're going to splash up with some CAD PAA. It doesn't really match, but hey, let's go for it. I like that one, that's my favourite one actually, that one. CAD, we'll balm up with this. I've got some star jelly, PAA star jelly, but I forgot to bring it in. And the Global Shaves Club Replitech, because I've only got one PAA razor, and I gave it away, and it's boxed up and posted on its way to Pennsylvania as we speak. So I'm using the Global Shave Club's Replitech that was gifted to me by a friend of the channel. And put that here, we've opened that up there. I've used a Gillette Tex, very mild, I don't use it anymore. Treat carbon blades. Let's have a look at these. I've used these before, but a long time ago. This is just a little bonus. I might not even do 3 passes, guys. I've only got a day's growth. There you go, double wrapped. No glue spots. What does it say? Made in Pakistan. Treat Jura Sharp. There you go. Treat blades. Made in Pakistan. We'll get that on there. And wow, quite a bit of overhang. Now, I can say this, look at that. Can you see the difference in overhang that side and that side? Can you see that? Maybe if I do that, it's more pronounced. But that blade, let's have a look. Yeah. Sitting in there, quite flush. And we'll put that on there, and we'll have a so that doesn't instill me with confidence. Wow. No, it's still the same. There's definitely more sticking out there than there is there. We'll get that in there. But I was going to say, the handle on that Replitech actually, to me, feels better than the handle on my Gillette Tech. Purely and simply because I handle my Gillette Tech, oh, very small, very like everybody's had a shower this morning, guys. The bathroom like a sauna again. Anyway, so I grated that. This is the original old stuff. Like when Reed from Shave Cave sent me this, he sent me 2. Thank you, Reed. Look there, he sent it like that. That's one of them. And the other one is here. I'm not going to show you what this one's called because I'm going to make a video with this one. But look at how they came, guys. He had the old originals in the big, massive round how to grow a moustache tins. And look, he cut that one out. Oh, it smells like. So I don't know. Did that looks like glycerin? Did Doug's stuff used to be made glycerin? But anyway, we'll put that back in the bag, and that will be reserved for another PA fanboy shave. Okay. Wow, there you go. So, like I said, it's a Monday, it's a bonus day. Everybody's had a shower. I've got some family coming over. This is kind of seasonal. I think it's 1st of September tomorrow. So, and I love pumpkins. I'll be baking a pumpkin pie soon enough. There you go. Now, look, I don't know how long Reed had this, but it's old. And Reed sent it to me for, what is it, Reed? 7, 8, maybe 9 months ago. And it's been sat there in that paper bag until I grated it in here the other day. And look at this. Straight away. So, let's see where we go. Wow. I didn't expect anything different from a PAA. So, what we'll do, we'll load that on the face. And then we'll dip the tips. Look, absolutely soaking. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is wonderful. I didn't expect anything different. If you're not aware, Doug and Fran did a live on Instagram with Chris from iamcdb. I'll link that under this. I'm not going to link anything else because I think these are unobtainable. I'll put PA's website under it. And you can get everything I'm using from there. The Replitech was gifted to the channel from the friend that gave me all the Wickham stuff. But there you go. Look at that, guys. We're going old school. Come on, John. Forgetting where the razor is. Here we go. There you go. Global Shave Club. Oh. It's not touched it. Well, let's see. We'll carry on and see where we go. Oh. But anyway, guys, yeah. I've got a code. A discount code. A shavingtime.co.uk. Not everyone's got one. But I have. It's John 101. And remember, if you want 10% gone, use John 101. Guys, that's a little noise again. So, I don't know how many of you are going to watch this. If you do, and you're in the UK, let me know what you're up to, your bank holiday. We just use it as time to rest, recuperate, recharge the batteries. Maybe do a little bit of spring cleaning, you know. Because after this, it's all dark nights, and fall. This is the last one, this now. The next bank holidays now are at Christmas. Because Christmas Day falls on a Saturday, so we will get a holiday on the Monday for that. And I think the Boxing Day falls on a Tuesday, Sunday, so we will get a bank holiday on the Tuesday as well. But really, pretty much after that, they all start again then in the new year. But when they start, it's like the nights are getting longer and the clocks have gone forward, the time zones have changed, everything's coming alive, you know. Whereas this one kind of signals fall, the leaves are changing, the nights are drawing in, things are getting darker, the clocks go back soon. I'm just going to go again. So I'm going to do 2 passes, guys, because there isn't a great deal to take down, and I don't really want to cause any irritation that's going to interfere with my Wednesday shave, because I've got something planned for the Wednesday shave. This, like I said, was a little bonus shave because it's Monday and I'm off, and I wanted to do this tag. Like I said, I'm not keen on tags, but I watched the guy do it. I can't remember his name. I'm sorry. I don't even know his name, but I can't remember it. I don't know your name, but he tagged me in a video. It's called the Artisan Shaver. And he said, I did my last one and no one did it. So I thought, oh, I've got to do it now, haven't I? He's a nice guy. Check out his channel. Artisan Shaver. Okay. And that's us, guys. Well, do you know what? If you want a safe shave that's going to take it down and get you presentable, I think that will do it. But it's very, very mild. But yeah, we did okay, didn't we, guys? We did. Look, there's the 2 nicks from yesterday. Oh, 2 nicks, John. Here we go. We'll splash up with CAD. Always assuming we can get the bottle. This is my favourite PAA. Sent this, look, get loads of it on there. Look at that. My wife loves this too as well, guys. Absolute. Oh, you know. God, I would bath in this stuff if I could. I would bath in it, have it coming out of the shower. Oh, just stand under the shower with CAD falling on you. There you go. Moisturiser. Ultimate Protection. Real shaving company. There's no scent in this, so it's not going to interfere with that wonderful CAD. And that's our bank holiday bonus tag shave done. Okay. Let me know what you're doing for the bank holiday. Is it not a bank holiday for you? But whatever you're up to, take it easy, guys. And remember, the world needs more love. So you be the one to show it. And I will see you on the Wednesday shave. Take care, guys. Bye.